All right, so this is the resource we have found from the inbuilt search engine in the insert learning environment on the platform. So we can now start editing it according to our need, and we can create another interactive lesson using these tools available in this toolbar, and we can create another interesting lesson. Let's move on to the next section. So this is the tools to embed. The second option available in the resources tab is tools to embed. So it shows a variety of tools that can be embedded into your insert learning environment. You can use Flipgrid, Edpuzzle, Google Forms, Google Slides, all these, YouTube, Quizlet. We can use all of these tools along with insert learning environment. We will create another session for embedding how to, for explaining how to embed these tools using insert learning environment. All right, so for now, let's move on. And I think we have covered all of these topics. We have covered lessons, we have covered grades, classes, public library, and we have covered the toolbar and resources, public library. Everything is covered. The one thing we are left with is that we have seen the insert learning environment as a teacher only. We have not seen how a student would how a student's view would look like. So to view a student's view, let me copy a class code. Let's say this one. I would like to join this class, which it has one lesson. So I would like to join this class. So I have copied this lesson, and now I would sign out from my this account, and I would sign in again as a student. All right, now I am again on the insert learning dashboard, and now I would like to sign as a student to check the student's view. So let's sign in with, with Google as a student. So I created this ID for a student. Let's log in as a student and see how the dashboard looks like for a student. Okay, so the student has already been enrolled in a class called My Class. Let's see if there are new classes. If the student is not enrolled in any of the class, then this option will not be here. This will be blank. And if a student wants to enroll in another class, so let's see how that can be done. Let's move to the classes tab. Here you can see the new class tab. uh, just click on this. So right now he's a student of my class. It has one lesson and the teacher is Sheetal Singh. Let's see, let's join him in the other class. So let's copy the class code we have copied from the teachers room. So let's enroll in this class 2, right? So now the second class is also by Sheetal Singh, my class, and there is one lesson also. So let's check out what lesson is this. This lesson is on information and communications technology that we have created in the today's session. Now student can view this lesson. You can see the toolbar of insert learning loading on the web page or the lesson that student has created. Okay, now here I can see as a student that this is the content, this has a comment we have created, this is the video, and here is the question where I can answer. So identify the main idea of the text. It's about environment or it's about information technology? Yes, it's about information technology, and that's correct. I got 10 on 10. All right, then I can answer here as a student. Yes, it is very useful nowadays. Okay, so test module has posted in the discussion forum also. Okay, So I think I am done. The student is done and he can go back to the. Okay, here is the settings button in the students toolbar. So it says choose class. This is my class, and I can submit it as mark as done, so that my teacher is notified. The student will click on mark as done that I have done this assignment and I am done. Oh, sorry. So done and close this tab. Okay, now I'm done with the assignment and my teacher will be notified. And let's get back to the insert learning dashboard here. So I have attempted one assignment, one lesson I have learned about information and communications technology, and that has been marked as done. And this, the art of digital storytelling, has not been done yet. That's why this mark as done option is available here right now. So you can mark it as done from here also, and or by visiting this web page and clicking on the insert learning button to submit it to the teacher. Okay, so grades, if you want to check if you have got any grades. So let's say, oh, so this one I have not attempted, this student. So let's say information and communication technology. Yes, I have got grades. It's about, and I've got 10 points. So that's about the grades. And this is the classes. And again, this is the resources tab that is also available with the student. He can find the content and he can search for the tools to embed. So that's it for the today. We have looked at the student's view as well as the teacher's view, and I think you all must use insert learning as a very handy tool. Thank you.